All right, we're going to talk a little bit about motor control so that your knee doesn't collapse in. This is something that can put a little bit more stress on your knee joint and your patellofemoral joint, your kneecap, when you are loading. So think bottom of a squat, think catching position for a jerk or a clean, think running, all right? Think going up and down stairs, getting up and down from a chair. All of these things are putting load through these joints. So we want to be in the best position so that we can avoid injury and perform really well. And so all this is kind of reminding your muscles or increasing that mind-muscle connection between the muscles in your ankles and the muscles in your hips, your glutes, so that you don't collapse in. This is especially good if you're one of those people who feels like your arches collapse or your hips just don't ever feel like they work. This is a really good one to build that mind-muscle connection. So we'll go from the bottom up. For the ankle, all you're gonna do is need a mobility band. You're gonna put it around your foot, around the arch of your foot here. And all we're gonna do is get into a little split squat. So from a half kneel position, you're gonna come up just an inch off the ground and just float there. What this band is trying to do is collapse in your foot. And so what we want to do is use the muscles on the inside of our leg and the foot intrinsics to have a really strong foot, really strong ankle so that we don't collapse in, right? You can see when your foot collapses in, your knee kind of follows it, all right? So what we're going to do is create that tension through our foot, through our ankle, and just come up an inch and just hold that position about 10 seconds. And I'll usually have people do this about 10 times each leg, just so that they can really, really feel those muscles working. Alternatively, we can move this up above our knee and it'll have the same effect. You're just gonna really focus on using your glutes here instead. So in that half kneeling position, that band should be pulling you in if you became really just completely relaxed. And so all we're gonna do is use our glutes to push that band out. Come up. Same thing, 10-second hold, 10 times here.